back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another data entry, non-phone work from home job lead. Data entry is the most sought after work from home job, so these jobs go very quickly. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. All jobs discussed will be in the description box below, and also please note I do not work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online, so I have no additional information other than what is in the job postings shared. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company CareSource. Now, CareSource is a healthcare company, and they're on a mission to just serve the members the best they can. They are looking for part-time remote data entry clerk. Now it says the data entry clerk sorts and completes data entry of source documents and information. They're looking for someone to process source documents and information by reviewing the data for deficiencies, making sure it's correct, and resolving any discrepancies by using their standard procedures or returning incomplete documents for resolutions. You'll process the data entry of source documents in a timely and accurate manner. You'll complete a variety of data entry and clerical tasks at the direction of management, and you'll maintain operations by following policies and procedures. Now, it does say a high school diploma or GED is required, but no college degree is required. And it says 1 year of experience in data entry is preferred, but preferred is not required. So technically, they do not require any experience to get started. However, you do need to be able to use a computer and type to perform data entry functions. Typing speed needs to be about 55 words per minute or higher. You need to know Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, Excel, and how to use them. You need to have great written and verbal communication skills, great organizational skills, the ability to multitask. You need to have thinking and listening skills, and you need to be an effective problem solver. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.